Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren distributed CMHT cards to journalists during a function at Manipur Press Club, Imphal today. With an aim to bring welfare to farmers, Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren distributed low-interest loan to fishermen in a function held at CM Secretariat, Imphal today. Rotary Club Imphal and Jennings Blood Bank jointly organized a blood donation camp at Jennings Blood Bank. Manipur Education Minister Radheshyam today opened East Zone Sports and Cultural Festival Championship 2019-20 at Sainik School, Imphal today. The death toll of Japanese encephalitis has reached 104 after 3 more people reportedly succumbed to the deadly vector-borne disease, as per official reports. As per sources, 459 people have been affected by the vector-borne disease. On the other hand, 1,637 people have been reported to be affected by AES. ISRO is aiming to put the lander Vikram and rover Pragyan on the lunar system on September 7 through Chandrayaan-2, just one day behind the earlier schedule, to ensure that the duo get their planned full schedule of operating for nearly 14 Earth days by tweaking the Chandrayaan-2's timeline in space when it travels from one phase to another.